Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm going to show you how to make Ankara layered choker. I'll be using this Ankara fabric, these ropes, scissors and tape rule. So fold your Ankara fabric in a bias form this way and cut it out. So I'm making use of this one first. The length of this rope is 12 inches. It's 12 inches length for the four of them. They are both 12 inches. So your Ankara fabric, you are going to cut rope that is Ankara fabric that is enough to wrap this rope. So since our rope is 12 inches, my Ankara fabric will be 14 inches length and the width will be 3 inches width. I'm cutting in a bias form so the Ankara fabric can stretch a little. So I'm going to cut 4 of these. So I have 4 Ankara fabric now. I've already cut out. So you pick one of the fabric, and this is the left, this is the wrong side of the fabric. You are going to apply your gum all over the Ankara fabric. So after applying gum on your Ankara fabric, you wait for it a while to dry. Then you wrap your rope with it. I'm going to wrap this other 3 remaining rope just this way. So guys, I've wrapped the 4 of them. Lest I forget, this rope is 12 inches. My round neck measurement is 15 inches. So I minus 3 inches, 1 2 3 to get 12 inches. Before you cut your own rope, measure your round neck measurement to know the length of the rope you are going to use for yourself. So now after wrapping this, I will arrange it on themselves this way. I said we are making layered choker. So this is how it will look like. So from this point, I will use my needle and thread to sew it so they can stay together. Or you can use a sewing machine, just run a straight stitch down. So just join them together with your needle and thread, or with your sewing machine. Anyone you want to use is okay. When you are done stitching, cut out your thread. Then you arrange it. We are going to stitch this other side too. Arrange it on yourself this way, and we'll start stitching this other side too. When you are done stitching this other part, tie your thread and cut it off. So this is what our layered neck choker will look like. So you can cut this off a bit and cut this one also. So you get a piece of Ankara fabric. This Ankara fabric is 2 inches by 2 inches, 2 inches by 2 inches. So I'm going to fold all the edges like this way, and you fold this way. So I'll apply gum and use it to fold. Wait for your gum to dry. So guys, I folded the both of them. We are going to use this to give this our choker a very neat finishing. Just put it this way and use your needle and thread to stitch it down. So guys, I am done stitching this, and I've also stitched this other side. So this is what our neck choker look like. So this part we are going to use bias to tie it. This bias is, I've already cut this one out, is 6 inches, 6 inches length. So I'm going to stitch this here. You can use your sewing machine and stitch it down, or you use your needle and thread. I'm going to use needle and thread to stitch it down. When you are done stitching, tie your thread and cut it off. Then you do the same for this other side. So guys, I've stitched this other side of our choker, and this is what the choker look like. You just tie this to your neck. You can make as many layers as possible. What I have here is 4. You can make 5, you can make 6, as many that can stay on your neck. So guys, this is the finish of our Ankara layered choker.